Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Make.com to HubSpot. To begin, open Make and go to your dashboard. This is where you'll create and manage automations, which make calls scenarios. If you're already signed in, you should land directly on the main workspace. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct organization or workspace before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create Scenario. This opens a new scenario builder where you can choose the apps and actions you want to connect. In this case, we're setting up a connection to HubSpot, so the next step is to locate the correct app inside Make. In the search area, type HubSpot. As you search, Make will display matching apps and integrations. Look for HubSpot CRM in the results and click on it. Choosing the correct HubSpot option is important since this ensures you're using the CRM integration designed for connecting your HubSpot account with your scenario. After selecting HubSpot CRM, choose the sample scenario. This gives you a starting point and helps Make prepare the connection flow. If you're new to Make, using a sample scenario can make the setup feel more straightforward because some of the initial structure is already in place. Next, click Create a Connection. At this point, Make will prompt you to connect your HubSpot account. Follow the on-screen authorization process to allow Make to access HubSpot. During this part, you may need to sign into HubSpot if you aren't already signed in. Be sure to review the permissions being requested so you understand what Make will be able to do inside your HubSpot account. Once the connection is successfully created, return to the scenario setup and click Save. Saving confirms the connection and keeps your progress in place. This is an important final step because without saving, your new connection may not be stored properly in the scenario. After that, your Make to HubSpot connection should be ready to use. From here, you can continue building out the scenario depending on what you want to automate, such as syncing contacts, triggering workflows, or updating CRM records. If anything doesn't connect right away, it can help to refresh the page and confirm that your HubSpot account has the necessary permissions. That's it. You've now connected Make.com to HubSpot and saved the setup successfully.